Mark the positions of the trusses on the wall plates according to the roof truss layout drawing. Position the first truss on the wall plate on the mark indicated and nail on either side of the truss to avoid horizontal movement. Slide the truss until centrally located over the walls and then nail temporarily into position by skew nailing through the heel of the bottom cord into the wall plate. Plumb the truss by using a straight edge and a spirit level, and then temporarily brace the top cord. Straighten the top cords by pulling a line from the heel to the apex. Ensure the temporary bracing members are of size not less than 38 by 76 grade 5 and are nailed to wall plates with 2 wire nails. When trusses are erected between gable walls, the first and last trusses are positioned 50 mm away from the gable end walls. Trusses erected between gable walls must be stabilized by fixing a temporary bracing member diagonally across the webs for the first 3 trusses. Install a truss at the other end of the building on the correct mark and ensure that the heel end of the truss projects the same distance from the wall plate as the first truss. Then temporarily brace the truss using the same procedure as the first truss. Drive a nail into the apex of each truss of the first and last trusses, which have been placed into position, and pull a line firmly across the apex points between these 2 trusses. Erect the intermediate trusses at the positions marked on the wall plates and ensure that the apex of each truss is directly under the line, and skew nail the heel onto the wall plate. Sight the apex of each truss to see that it is visually plumb at this stage. Then fix a batten across the top cords close to the apex, as well as a runner across the center of each bottom cord to hold the trusses in position. Here you can see it on site.